Ready to ditch pesticides and droughts? Dive into the future of farming indoors. Modern agriculture is facing some serious challenges. Pesticides are harmful, droughts are devastating, and we're running out of space to grow food. Transport issues and labor shortages just add to the mess. But guess what? There's a revolutionary solution knocking at our door: indoor grow technology. Imagine growing tons of fresh, healthy produce all year round in less space and without a drop of pesticide. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening now. Advanced indoor farming techniques use cutting-edge technology like hydroponics and smart sensors to create optimal growing conditions. No more worrying about the weather or pests, just juicy, delicious produce right where you need it. And here's the best part. You can be part of this agricultural revolution. Join us in creating and innovating the future of food. Let's build a sustainable, pesticide-free, and drought-proof world together. Say goodbye to old farming woes and hello to a green, tech-driven future. Ready to make a difference? Let's grow indoors. Indoor farming is not just a trend, it's a necessity for our growing population. With the world's population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, we need innovative solutions to feed everyone. Indoor farming allows us to grow food in urban areas, reducing the need for long-distance transportation. Smart sensors and automated systems ensure that plants get exactly what they need to thrive. The result? Fresher, healthier produce that's grown sustainably. And it's not just about the technology. It's about community and collaboration. Together, we can create a food system that's resilient, efficient, and equitable. Let's embrace this agricultural revolution and build a better future for everyone. The future of farming is here and it's indoors. Ready to make a difference? Let's grow indoors.